City. I'm the coordinator of Dublin Learning City and Dublin Learning City Festival. We are currently in the throes of our 5th Learning Festival, which is happening from the 3rd to the 5th of April. So the event we're at today is a learning exchange between one of our higher education institutes, which is our partner NACD, and a member of our Learning Neighbourhood, the Dublin Adult Learning Centre. So within our Learning Neighbourhood in the North Inner City, we have 15 organisations across education and community. And the purpose of this exchange is to give members of the Learning Neighbourhood a taste of what's available within our partner universities. So today is the second installation of the learning exchange between NACD and the Dublin Adult Learning Centre. And we are delighted to be here. We started off the day with a lovely tour of the premises, and now the learners are gone in to partake in an art workshop.
Yeah, we were learning about mapping and art in general, just picking up a few hints and a few pointers. It was very enjoyable. I think it'd be very important for people coming from the inner city that are good at art but never got the chance to do it in their career. I think there's some hidden talent out there in the Dublin community, in the working class.
I'm Tracy Foran and I'm a tutor in the Dublin Adult Learning Centre. Today we were with Sylvia last week. We did an introduction to mapping and the journey from our home to where we work, what the concepts are behind it, and it brought up a lot of stuff from some people, and it was just really interesting and creative. I think it's really important for Dublin City Council to engage people from everywhere in the whole process of art. I think it's really good for mental health. I think it's good for being aware of your surroundings in the city, and I just think it's only positive. It's a positive thing.